Hey, welcome back to another episode of College Algebra. This is your host, Bromel, with the Jax Tutor. Today, we're still evaluating expression using that little mnemonic that we all know, PEMDAS. So, we have 12 divided by, inside of parentheses, 36 divided by 9 plus 6. So, the P stand for parentheses. We're going to go inside of a parentheses. What's 36 divided by 9? In here as 4. So now it's like we have 12 divided by 4 plus a 6. What is 12 divided by 4? We know multiplication and division comes before addition. So what's 12 divided by 4 is 3 plus a 6. What is 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. And that should do it for this one. If you enjoyed this video, share it with someone that you know this might help. This is your host, Romel, with the Jax Tutor. Thanks for your time. Bye.